Weather-wise, we're in the month of trick-or-treating. Free candy's only 2 weeks away. Let's talk about it. Here's what we're expecting, but remember, a lot can change. So we're going to just go with trends, and in 2 weeks, we should be low 80s to near 60 in the morning. I mean, that's the trend on lows. Highs should, again, be low 80s, but a lot can change in 2 weeks in meteorology. Here's what's happened the last few Halloweens. Last year, the hottest. No rainfall. We were up to 90, but the year before that, pretty chilly, only 61. You know, chilly for this time of year. I know it's not cold, but 42 to 61, that's pretty exceptional for late October here. Then it was the 3 years prior that were about exactly where we should be. Notice, too, that the last 5 Halloweens have been pretty dry, so at least we're working in that direction again. All right, so today, an Ozone Action Day. That's why we have a weather impact alert. The air quality is in moderate shape, so it could be a little bit better in San Antonio. And in Houston, it's unhealthy for sensitive groups. I mean, this is a weather pattern that impacts the entire state. That's why I show you those air quality live monitors. Remember, for the next hour or two, try not to cut the grass or put gas in your car. Anything that sends emissions into the air during the heat hours of the day creates bad ground ozone. Ozone is good up high, but bad nearby. We don't want to be breathing it. Now, it doesn't look too bad outside. I mean, Morgan's Wonderland Camp, we are cloud-free, deep blue skies, looking really good. You can see a little bit of haze when you look over Calaveras Lake or even into downtown at this hour. Temperature right now sitting at 90 degrees, but it feels like 88 thanks to a dew point in the mid-50s and a very light northeast breeze. That's another big ingredient on air quality. This air is hot. 91 at Hondo, 92 at Floresville, Stockdale, and Seguin. We've got 90 in the city. We're under the high. And as long as this ridge is amplified, that's why you get the poor air quality. That's why you get the hotter temperatures for this time of year. And that's why we stay pretty rain-free. Now, the high should relax its grip a bit. And then we get a cold front in next week as well. So those are two good factors for some much-needed rain. Not anytime soon, though. Heading into the weekend, we've got highs around 90 the next 2 days and then lower 90s Saturday, Sunday. We'll stay in those lower 90s Monday, Tuesday, the 20th and 21st before the front comes in with a chance of rain. The 23rd and 24th are looking like the best opportunities. And then look at that final weekend of October, feeling like October. That's really where we should be, right around 60 in the morning, mid-80s in the afternoon.